Measuring the impact, evaluating the effectiveness of product expansions. Hello, business enthusiasts and entrepreneurs. Today, we're exploring a critical aspect of your business strategy, evaluating the effectiveness of product expansions. I'm Felicia Loo, your trusted advisor in business growth, and I'm excited to share essential insights. Let's dive in. Expanding your product line is a significant decision. Here are the key steps to assess the impact of your product expansions. Set clear goals. Start by defining your objectives for the product expansions. What did you hope to achieve with these new offerings? Having clear goals makes evaluation more focused. Data collection. Gather relevant data, including sales figures, customer feedback, and market trends. This data will be the foundation for your assessment. Customer feedback. Reach out to your customers to collect feedback on the new products. What do they like, dislike, or expect? Their insights are invaluable. Profitability analysis. Evaluate the financial performance of the new products. Assess their contribution to your revenue and profitability. Comparison to goals. Compare the actual results to your initial goals. Did the product expansions meet, exceed, or fall short of your expectations? If you found these steps for evaluating the effectiveness of product expansions valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more business growth and strategy tips. For personalized guidance on product expansion evaluation and optimization, give us a call at 1-236-513-2488.